Hey apples, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a DIY turmeric face mask, and there the first ingredient is the egg white. Now you have a bowl, then you have 2 spoons. Now you have turmeric. Now you have rose water. Next, aloe vera gel, then some witch hazel. For the mixture, I used 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder. Then I went in with 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel also. Next up, I went in with 2 tablespoons of rose water. Now I'm adding some good old witch hazel. Guys, have you ever tried out a turmeric face mask before? Right now I'm just mixing away until I get the perfect consistency before I add the egg whites. Right now I'm just adding the egg white, guys, and I only use 1 egg and mixing it together. This took a little while to mix the egg white into the mixture. This is a little clip of me showing you my face before applying the mask. So I did have some pimples here and there. Usually, guys, I'm not the type to have pimples or a lot of pimples, but after my whole cancer journey, I realized I've been having a lot of issues there. Now I'm gonna use a MAC concealer brush to apply this mask all over. Most times when I do mask, I love to use this brush. I don't know why. I guess it gets the job done better than my fingers. So yes, stay tuned and keep on watching and listen out for my final thoughts on this mask. So it will be my final thoughts on this mask for the day, but not all entirely, because I don't believe in one day result. I believe in trying things for a period of time. So next week I'll come with an update video to let you know if there was any improvement, what I really think about this mask. Comment down below also, guys, and let me know where you stand as it relates to skincare. Do you love to try out masks or scrubs, or you're just a chill person that just get up and go and you don't really care about your skin pretty much? But I'm big on skincare. I love to try out different stuff with my skin, and mostly natural. I love to make my own stuff. Very big on that, and I leave it in the refrigerator and go back and use it. So let me know if we're similar in that way, and you can definitely look forward to more of these videos for 2019. Also, as my viewers, comment down below of some video ideas you'd love to see here on my channel, and I'll definitely fulfill them. Or you can also comment what you want my next video to be, you know. So after 30 minutes, guys, obviously you can see I was so freaking ready to wash this thing off my face. My face has tightened up so much. So this is after washing the mask off, guys, and right off the bat I can tell you that my skin does look a little clearer, like a little oomph than before. The pimples are definitely flatter, as you can see in the clip before. You know, they are way flatter, and the stuff, you can see that the stuff is gone that was inside, and you could definitely feel it working, guys, like this tingling sensation. I know it's from the turmeric and probably the witch hazel, and the fact that the egg white was in it, you know, it kind of make it a perfect mask, stays on your face good. It wasn't runny or anything, and after I could definitely feel my face tighten, which, you know, most mask does. And I love the overall result. I'm going to do it for 5 days, look guys, and come back and let you guys know what I think about it over the period of 5 days. So yeah guys, I loved it. I would advise you to try it, and this definitely won't be the last turmeric mask on my channel. So until my next video guys, one love. Nobody because me have me money. Can't tell me how to spend it 'cause I feel me money. Not depend on nobody because me have me